Hey, today we are here to give dimensions to a object in NX drafting. So this one is the object, a typical insert. So we are going to dimensioning it in NX 2D drafting. So from NX application we will select drafting and we place the base view here. We will give 10 scale 10, so the object clearly visible to us as this pin having small size. So we insert both front and side view of this insert. Now you can see there is a line around it. This one is called border of the view. So I will adjust it so dimensions which we are going to this part clearly visible to all. From here boundary, and we will go to manual rectangle option and we select a manually how much be the border you required wide. Now what we can do from here, we will give the dimension to this view. First of all we select from dimensions rapid dimension. When we select it, so you see the dimension size are not visible here. So what can we do, as we increase the scale of this object, now dimensions are not visible. So we set the dimension text height and arrow all from drafting preference drafting. From here we will set all. So let's we will give the text height. There are various options available here. So we will go in here, this one we will go in text. Here the text height and we will give 20 mm. Okay, now apply. Now see, the dimension is 10.0. Dia is of this pin insert is 10.2, 10.0, sorry. We give the tolerance it bilateral tolerance plus minus zero point 0.2 we will give it. From here we, in this way we give the tolerances to a size. Only up to 1 decimal we will give. So here the all things are selected. Now suppose you want to give surface straightness. So from the there is in annotation one option, control feature frame. This one we will select, and this one is already straightness is selected here in frame. Frame characteristic of this geometric tolerance is straightness. So we and leader is what we point out to the surface of. Here we are giving the straightness on the axis of the pin, and for it we will define the dia symbol. First of all we adjust it so it fit to this view. From here we will give the dia symbol before this tolerance value. Now might be 50 mm will be enough to define it. No need to set the other options, only we want stub length 50 mm. Now, and one thing I also noticed at that time, arrow of dimension lines and that geometrical tolerance leader line has different in nature. So what we can do, from the setting, we go the setting, and here from that we select the text height also 20 mm, and line and arrows option is there. From here we will select the open arrow. In this way, that axial straightness be defined to a part feature. Now, how much with the length from end point to end point select. This one is the length of this insert 30 mm, and if suppose tolerance is given on the size, so in this way we will give the size tolerance. It is 0.5 mm. If you want to learn about the tolerances, you can follow the link mentioned under this video. Thank you. In this way, we give the dimensions to a part in NX drafting. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.